You searched how to buy shares of Healthpeak Properties Inc. Healthpeak Properties Inc. is a U.S. healthcare-focused real estate investment trust listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DOC. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker DOC to find Healthpeak Properties Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and view the price chart. Check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker DOC to confirm it's the right security. To buy, click Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set to execute at the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the trade fills. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.